What's up guys, I just got this new electric heater by Kloudic and we're gonna open it up and check it out and unbox it basically. This is the QD-QN05 model and it's supposed to look like that. Quick heating, wide angle, lean down off. Yeah. So this is the side of the box. Works in various environments. And here's like an exploded view of the actual item, the electric heater. And here's the it's the US version, 120 volt. And here's some more side specs. There's a carrying handle, smart touch, wide angle oscillation, and tip over prevention. So let's open it up and check it out. So when you open it up, first thing you see is a free gift thing. Pretty cool. Put that to the side. Installation manual, user manual. Thanks for your support. Some basic before you operate instructions, you know. Main introduction. Uses a PTC as a thermal unit. It's fast heating up and high conversion rate. No fire and free of oxygen consumption, and a long lifetime. So it's suitable for your home or office or anything like that. There's the usage instructions. And some more attention stuff. What not to do, what to do. Here's a maintenance, some basic troubleshooting guide. Yeah, that's your installation manual. So let's open it up. So on the bottom it tells you the voltage, rated power, 950 watt, some basic specs. On the back you have on and off switch. Here's a plug, it's protected by a little cap, take that off and plug it in. Right back here there's a little vent, a little filter for the fan. Let's put that back. There we go, pretty simple. So you got your swing mode, so it turn oscillate, the different modes, and on and off button. And on the bottom there's a little prong right there. That's for the tipping feature. So if it detects that it's not pushed in, then it's gonna make a beeping sound. So pretty neat. I'm gonna try plugging it in and see how it plugged in. I turn it on from the switch down here. And let's power it on. So I can feel the heat already. It's pretty instant. Now let's change mode. It's like a low. Okay. Medium, high. Low again. Medium, high. Swinging. So there you have it, the Kloudic electric heater.